Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we sell our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Barcelona don't withdraw their interest from signing Raphinha, and the people who can in charge now Arsenal, because goal.com waiting for Brazil, their Brazilian branch, and Daily Express, both Football London, many media houses don't come outside, they report, they publish this same story. So for those who not join us live, when we go live on YouTube yesterday, we'll just go do some breaking news, want let people know how it is up. Make I just give a small recap. This Raphinha in the beginning, because most people now they talk say, such why Arsenal no go for this guy since? Why be saying now? Why Arsenal they wait for other clubs? They don't come on hand. They can't they go. No be like that. But I don't they defend this deal for comment section. No be like that. Since the beginning, this Raphinha talk say in the wait for Barcelona to come sign up. So now Barcelona be in first choice. Now you as a buying club, when you hear something like this, you go take a chill pill. Now you go relax. Just come on, just the monitor out since they go. So Barcelona now no get money. Everybody knows that they face financial challenges to get. So they need to sell Ousmane Dembele to Chelsea to recoup some funds to go buy Raphinha, because Raphinha is going to be costing them between £43 million and above. You get, and they don't have that money. Now Ousmane Dembele deal said he never go through with Chelsea. I don't know what's in the hold. Whether the guy don't want to go again, whether the guy wants to remain for the Camp Nou. So Arsenal can't see this window of opportunity as Raphinha said can't talk. Say, people like say don't wait too much. You say no one wait again. So wetin go stop now? Be say he won't move to anybody with they available. Now Tottenham Hotspur we won't go for him before. They don't put their focus on Richarlison. Manchester United no even they go for anybody. Man City get enough people for the flanks. Chelsea get people for the flanks, and Chelsea still won't buy Raheem Sterling. So the nobody they look at now. Only Arsenal point for the pole position. They scamper and they are front now. So Arsenal don't come say okay, we want to buy you. If Fabrizio Romano self come outside talk say Arsenal are in advanced negotiations, direct negotiations with Leeds since March. Don't be saying now today just start like they don't do for the corner, just the wait. They just we dey here, we won't call on a guy you. So now Arsenal and the Ghana need to negotiate. Arsenal say the money for £3 million and above. Whether 50 or whether for 55, it will be problem to them because they know the kind of quality and the caliber of player they want get in this Raphinha. If Raphinha enter Arsenal team, it will make things happen. And why players will move now? Be say everybody wants to go to a place where he go play regularly. Don't forget that World Cup is coming soon. I keep repeating this thing. World Cup is coming soon, and people will be fringe players for their club where they match rusty may not be selected. That is why Raphinha just say, okay, like say don't reach down where I go upgrade. So the guy just for a club there, they play with top quality. Get people go see they look at like shit packer, but if you upgrade now, enter a big team, everybody gonna say yes, Baba, your head did there. So Leeds really want to recoup some money from the guy because they know say himself won't leave. So now the backstory waiting for this guy deal with this. So Arsenal and for pole position. Anyhow with this deal they go, Shola, you know now I will there to let you know. Surprisingly, Gabriel Jesus agents don't travel to England to make sure say this deal between Gabriel Jesus and Man City it go through, because we dey say Arsenal and Man City for critical talks now. They dey for advanced negotiation talks because Chelsea don't they look the deal say Shemo could jump in. Tottenham was supposed to scam the deal say Arsenal and they pole position. Every news media organization they talk am, every pundit will be somebody they talk am say Arsenal is still leading the race. Arsenal on their own self they confident say this guy now our player we go get am, nothing will stop us. Waiting just remember make they agree a fee. Player don't agree terms and conditions. So not just the personal fee between Manchester City and Arsenal. Once it is agreed, they go push in the paperwork. The agent on the fly enter England down. That one a good news. At least we know say everything they go in the right direction. Maybe they just come. Maybe they say go sign some kind paper for some kind place to make sure say the deal go through, or they want become the notary. They go witness everything. Well, any way they go, I will let you know. If any information or major updates come outside, I go live. Shola will give you an update. Even a monitoring spirit they call the Times don't come outside the talk say Arsenal they expected to make £50 million bid for Raphinha. You know say officially Arsenal never make any bid for Raphinha. Now talks, they just talk like alpha. What's how much now will cost this guy? All those kind of small talks. Guy, what's be your own personal terms? How much salary you expect to earn? All those kind of minor talks again. But in the coming days, the Times will let us know they go offer £50 million bid. Don't forget saying that the Times also tell us say Arsenal go offer €50 million for Gabriel Jesus will be £30 million, and truly it came to pass. I mean, not come to pass. Arsenal made that offer, and as they make the offer, Manchester City can reject them. So now the Times don't come outside again because they are a reputable media organization. They don't come outside again. Let us know, say in the coming days, Arsenal go offer £50 million bid for this Raphinha. Raphinha no be person wey get 1 more year left on the contract, so you no go expect him deal to be like all those kind of Gabriel Jesus and other kind of people we get. So you know difference. So well, we'll just keep our fingers crossed and they hope say this one will come to pass. And when it comes to pass, we are hoping that Leeds will accept the deal and the guy go sign personal terms and become Arsenal player. More if you happen every year go bust. Oh god. Some of our players have done a joint loan for next season. So Omar Rekik don't join Sparta Rotterdam for 1 year loan for 2022 and 2023 season. Sparta Rotterdam now for Dutch league then day for Netherlands. So the guy don't go join them, make him for develop more and no delay him. Harry Clark self don't join Stoke on 1 year loan so that himself go develop. We need all these youngsters to go outside. Emmy Smith Rowe did all these things. He went outside, developed himself, came back and became a regular. So all these boys will expect themselves to go do the same thing, come back and give us banger. Now what we expect, at least because our future the day bright. Matt Turner don't come outside, they call the trend for social media. And wetin Matt Turner do? Matt Turner failed to sign a Tottenham Hotspur fan. We give a shirt. Say Baba Bed sign my shirt. You know say the guy play in final game for New Revolution for America. So in the coming days now, the guy will just enter Arsenal because Arsenal never announced him. They just agreed a deal in principle. So the guy don't on his way to the Emirates. So before he come out, to say normal fans tell them goodbye, thanks for coming, thanks for supporting me all these years. So Baba people want to bring shirts and sign for me, senior man. So you got the sign. I see you got one guy shirt, make the sign. I look the guy response. They say, no, Baba, they whine me. You don't know where they go. I go Arsenal, like the response. Take your share, Jerry. The guy called it. I don't know what the guy talk, but camera no pick. I can't look the guy like this. Over take time. Though the guy can't make all the fans they endeared to him. Like fans can't they happy. Say, this guy, you know what they solve. You know how they go. You don't they let our enemies know say, they come. And the guy said don't come outside talk. Say, see, this Arsenal when they come like this, no constable Benjamin. No. Say they can't push Aaron Ramsdale because me say so many hype don't they for the guy, but I can't run go YouTube. The guy said the guy get reflex, so the guy they make saves, so the guy good though. But honestly, if you compare the quality of MLS with EPL, but the keeper na keeper, the guy good. Not because face shot na. They not shot not get coloration. So I just like the guy. Well, now until he come because himself go play Europa League because they expect say Ben Leno go go. Now what's everybody they talk about Ben Leno has the potential to leave, potential. Last, but if you can decide say, I want something for Europa League, well, we never know. Anyhow they go, I will let you know. Charles Watt self don't come outside on the talk say this Raphinha deal. Say then tell him say this Raphinha interest is very genuine and anything wey Charles Watt come outside the talk, I know they hold am with a pinch of salt. Na confirm, na gbabe because this guy na Arsenal correspondent. The guy get author page for goal.com when they write Arsenal news. If Ateta they do media conference, they dey there, they watch am live, they ask am questions, say Baba how e be. So if this guy come outside, they tell you say Arsenal interest for Raphinha, is dey genuine. Take am like that, no cap. The guy they confirm. So me I just happy say he don't confirm the news. But people go talk say and so I'm waiting till Arsenal confirm the day. Arsenal will never confirm anything on their official website because these players are contracted to their club. Now all these agents, all these monitoring spirits, all these senior man transfer guru like Gianluca Di Marzio, Fabrizio Romano, David Ornstein, Ben Jacobs, all these kind of people, Charles Watts, that then go come outside, they give you the insights get from their sources with the links to clubs and players, and then go give you the meat of the story. So myself I can't deliver them to now. So now so it just be, we'll just keep our fingers crossed. Even another journalist only for Spain, what they call Ruben Uria, don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal have already made an offer to sign Raphinha. This guy, me don't know him. We just see the guy, and the guy for Twitter, the guy have verified handle, like he's verified to show he's legit. But Twitter don't verify anybody anyhow now. So it does Arsenal already make an offer. I can't check all the media reputable sites where I know we be say me and then they work together. Nobody don't publish am. Whether na scoop, like an exclusive story, we only him get and never know. But just take it with a pinch of salt. Let's just keep watching in the coming days. Whether other media publications now will come they quote and they republish and they give them attribution. We never really know. More they watch. The guy don't tell us how much. He just tell us say Arsenal don't make offer for Raphinha, but nobody has published this same story. So more just they keep our fingers crossed while they watch as things they go. Away from that, so former Chelsea striker wey they call Chris Sutton don come outside when they talk about Gabriel Jesus. So Baba when they talk say this Gabriel Jesus now wey Arsenal wan sign it. Say if Arsenal finally get this guy is going to be a massive upgrade for Arsenal. Like if they sign him, it's going to be a very, very big statement, because don't forget that they don't have Aubameyang where they give them the goals. Even Lacazette self don't score anything. They are only left with an Eddie Nketiah. Now if this Gabriel Jesus can enter, it's going to be a banger, because we all know he's prolific in front of goal. Just give him the chances. And now that they've signed Fabio Vieira, who knows how to deliver the pass, clear passes, if you call it fit Gabriel Jesus or any other striker where Arsenal go sign, the next season Arsenal is going to be a big contender for the top 4, and that is what me too I'm saying. Arsenal, if they sign all the main targets, sign the square pegs and put them in the square holes, next season why we no go enter top 4 now? Who be Newcastle? Shebu go meet Newcastle for at least our first 5 games. When we don't sign our men, make them bring their own men now. They must see how everything goes up. They go collect, no be say one thing. Surprisingly, Man City they keep tabs on Kylian Tierney. You know say themselves they find left back. I know say Kylian Tierney is a super left back. So they call the scam palm. They get Cucurella waiting for their front two. I don't know what it comes up. One year say then they also get interest for Kylian Tierney. They look at. I never know how it won't be. You get me? I just monitor the situation, but I know say Arsenal no go sell Kylian Tierney. But if they want sell, how bad will it be? Like a player that is always injured, how many games they play per season? He has not even played up to 30 games, not to talk of. Every season, always injured. So would you like to keep this guy moving forward? Remember what I talked yesterday, say, no be everybody go follow us, enter our promised land. Do you think Kylian Tierney should follow us and enter the promised land with his injury track record? Now just ask an open question. Let me know your own opinion. Do you think he should follow us there? Because you see Kylian Tierney, you see Partey, when it matter most, 9 minutes of the season, if we just say they don't get injured, against a big team, they don't get injured, we know we can't get quality people who can't take replace them. Unless we have mad squad depths, you know, I be say if they're injured, we'll put another person, no go miss her. But if we don't get to call, the injury to Thomas Partey and to Kylian Tierney it was instrumental last season when make us not get our top 4, because there is no way when Thomas Partey go dey fit, Kylian Tierney go dey fit, Tomiyasu go come dey fit, we can't tell so we no go enter top 4 for waiting now. That was one of the issues we get, because defensively we were just staying. When they use some kind of round pegs in the square holes, they experiment. I don't pass here. Again, news over the year from Ajax. So when the year say Ajax defender, so that they call Julian Timber and Lisandro Martinez. Say Ajax, so they don't fit sell 2 of them at the same time, because Arsenal won't buy Lisandro Martinez, Manchester United won't buy Timber. Now Timber, from what we hear, he don't reject Manchester United offer, say no go for them. I just know that their former coach Eric Ten Hag now don't go Manchester, so that can say okay, me and you understand ourselves, or you can't join us. But surprisingly, Timber say no. You just see they do the deal. But Ajax hierarchy don't come and say, see, we don't fit sell Lisandro Martinez first choice, can't sell Timber again, another first choice. Come on now, we don't fit do like that. So make Arsenal do quick wrap up their deal, because make it not be like Inter Milan, where we one side Lautaro Martinez, Chelsea one side Lukaku, Chelsea rush collect Lukaku, Inter say we no fit sell our 2 top striker, wetin dey stop now? We can't give Lukaku out and Martinez out, make we no get the repeat of the same thing. Now we say if Manchester United go collect Timber, now they go say Timber don go, no fit sell Martinez and no one will meet that kind of thing. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.